All right, so I have the Black & Decker Weed Whacker and Leaf Blower combo. I keep the leaf blower upstairs and the Weed Whacker down in the basement. Charging the batteries is kind of a pain, so I decided to get a replacement battery and charger kit. This is the 4.0 amp hour 20 volt replacement batteries and charger for the Black & Decker 20 volt max. And let me show you what you get here. It arrives just like this, and you get 2 batteries obviously and a charger. Let me show you these compared to the Black & Deckers. So here's a Black & Decker battery, and here's a replacement battery. Virtually identical. They're both made in the same place. Here's the Black & Decker charger. You can see we've got a fixed connection right here, the 4 pins. This is a 20 volt, 400 milliamp charger. And here's the charger that comes with the 2 battery kit. 4 pin, almost identical, both made in the same exact place again. The difference with this one is the charger pack looks a little different. Another difference is this actually has a plug on it, which I think is actually kind of cool. You can swap out the pack later if you have to. So I actually kind of like that. Charging in them is identical. They will charge your old Black & Decker stuff too. There's the old Black & Decker battery. This one's actually fully charged because I charged it. When the battery is still charging, it blinks green. You can see it blinking green here. And when it's done, it goes solid green. Let me show you how it fits into a 20 volt max. So here you go. This is the original Black & Decker battery. There's my Weed Whacker. And here's the new battery going in here. Works just fine. So now I've got 4 batteries and 2 chargers, which I like. So there you go, nice little replacement set for your Black & Decker 20 volt max products. Very nice.